Everybody, this is a new demo about a new feature for the user API container images endpoint. This issue outlines what was added. The three broad items that were added are new URLs to the endpoint, which point to different sources of data for the container image. So the whole idea for this is to give the user more opportunities to get more data about a container image. So if we quickly run this endpoint in Thoth user API, we get a list of container images. And for example, one of the new URLs right here is Quay repo URL. Now this is a URL that is going to point directly to the image source. So right here we can get the exact image and the exact tag selected. And also, if we go back over here, we get this new image analysis URL, which is the endpoint that we can plug into the same URL we were using for this API curl request called analyze, which the package extract ID name. And this is this endpoint right here, which will give us data such as basically all the data that Thoth grabs when they run a analyze on the image or analysis on the image. So a lot more data that is given to us now besides just what is found right here. And everything is linked together. Now, if we go back to the issue, we have one more thing. It mentions Thoth Search UI. So with this, we can now we have a new tab in Thoth Search UI called Image. Now, Image, we can do that same endpoint, which is just this right here, but now through the UI perspective, we can look up, get a table of all these images, go through them, and navigate to them if we want. We can also search a specific analysis ID, similar to this endpoint right here. Now, if we go to that, it'll take us to a page showing us details about details about this image. So we have this card right here, which is going to give us a lot of details about a lot of the similar details from the metadata of the image. And we also get some details about the Python files, the RPM, and some of the details about Python packages and their licenses. We can look around through here and get an idea of what's in this image. So those are the three new features in this issue: the Quay repo, the link to the analysis endpoint, and the Thoth Search UI image details.